Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chrysler 300 headlight bulb. First, always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat surface and turning off the engine. Next, gather your essential tools, which typically include a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and a ratchet. Don't forget to wear protective gloves to keep your hands clean and safe. Finally, open the hood to gain access to the engine bay and locate the headlight assemblies. Now let's access the bulb. For the driver's side headlight, you will likely need to remove the airbox. This involves loosening 3 screws on the airbox cover and then pulling out the lower airbox. The passenger side usually offers easier access without removing components. Once you have clear access, locate the round, black plastic dust cover behind the headlight housing. Gently rotate this cover 1/4 turn counterclockwise, then carefully remove it and set it aside. With the dust cover removed, you can now access the bulb. First, firmly push the release tab on the electrical connector and slide the power plug straight off the old bulb. Next, rotate the base of the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. When installing the new bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Align the new bulb's 3 tabs, insert it, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it in place. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Next, replace the round, black plastic dust cover by twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise until it is snug. If you remove the airbox, carefully reassemble all its components, tightening any screws or clips. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working properly, providing clear illumination for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.